There, guys. So the one thing I've been looking at while I'm putting together this 1928 Chrysler sedan is I haven't had any videos I've seen really that show you how to take the seats off an old vehicle like this one. I'm currently rebuilding this one. I'm going to get all these seats reupholstered, so these seats got to come out. The simple way to get these seats out of here is to push in and lift, and they're not bolted down by anything. The backrest will still have to take off. They're connected with the rest of the fabric to the car, but if you need to just take out the benches real quick, just push in and lift. And I'll show you this real quick as soon as I get my PPE on. And when you got mold like this, you want to make sure you're always wearing a mask. Simple. Just push in, lift up, and pull out. Just like that. It's as simple as can be. Alright, stay tuned if you want to see me rebuild the rest of this car.